Worksheet tangents to a circle. Question 11. If the tangent from 8, minus 1 to the circle x square plus y square equals to r square has length 4, find the value of r. Well, this question is very different from the questions we have done so far. So earlier we were trying to find the length of the tangent. Now we are given the length of the tangent and we need to find radius. So in a way they are similar also. So I'd like you to attempt this problem yourself and then look into my solution, right? Here is how I would like to do it. Let's first sketch this, right? Let's get an idea of what's going on. So let's say this is our circle, correct? This is our circle, and let's make a coordinate axis, right? That is our x coordinate, y coordinate, and this is our x coordinate, right? Now, so what do we have? So we say that if a tangent from 8 minus 1 to the circle, so 8 minus 1 will be 8 somewhere outside, but you know the point has to be outside the circle. 8 minus 1 will be here, right? So we can draw a tangent from here. This is my point, somewhere here to the circle. Let's draw a tangent like this. Correct? And let us assume that the point 8 minus 1 is this point for us. Correct? So this is my point 8 minus 1. That means 8 is x value and minus 1 is the y value. Correct? So that is our point 8 minus 1. Now from here we'll connect the center of the circle, which is the origin, right? So this is the point P to us. Let's say this is the point P, right, which is 8 minus 1, and that's the point Q where the line is tangent to the circle, right? And if we connect this Q to the center, we get our radius, right, which we need to find. So let's connect this with center O. That is point O, right? And what do we need to find here is R, this value, R. This is what we need to find. And what we are given here is the length of 4 for the tangent line. That means from P to Q, we are given this position is 4. This is what we are given, right? And that point P for us is 8, minus 1. That is the situation, right? So we can solve this and easily find the radius. How are we going to do it? Think about this triangle. Think about this triangle. You see that? Think about this triangle. Now in this triangle, the x value is 8, right? So this is 8 for us, and that is minus 1, or 1 in units, right? So from here we can find OP. So OP square is equals to 8 square plus 1 square. You can write minus 1 square. It will be 1, right? So it is 64 plus 1, which is 65. So that is our OP square, right? Now this is a right angle triangle. OP square is 65. QP is 4, and we need to find radius R. So from here, that's the right triangle. So OP square is also equals to OQ square, which is the radius, plus QP square, which is given as 4 in the question, right? So OP we just calculated. OP square is 65. Let 65 is equals to OQ is the radius square, plus 4 square, correct? So from here we can find what radius is. So radius is equals to 65 minus 16, 4 square is 16, square root, correct? So 65 minus 16 is equals to 49. So this is equals to 49, and square root of 49 is 7, right? So we know radius is 7 for us. Therefore, R is 7 units. You see? So if you are given the length of the tangent line to the circle, then you can find the radius. Do you see that? So that's the application problem on what we had been doing. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you.